Let's walk through setting up a new timer in the app. First, from the main timer screen, tap the plus icon at the top to add a new timer. This opens the Edit Timer menu. Start by tapping Timer Name to give your schedule a title. We'll type in Christmas Fun and tap Done. Next, let's set the timer mode. When you tap this, a menu appears with 3 choices: lighting color, pattern, or lighting scene. Let's quickly look at all 3. First, if you select lighting color, it takes you to a color selector. Here, you can pick a single static color using the color wheel, the RGB sliders for a precise mix, or the common color swatches at the bottom. Going back, let's look at pattern. This opens a large library of animated presets. You can see they're sorted into categories like favorites, Christmas, Easter, and Halloween. Tapping on a category, like Christmas, shows you all the related patterns you can choose from. Finally, if we go back and select lighting scene, this will show you a list of your own saved custom-made scenes. For this timer, we're going to use a pattern. So we'll go back into pattern, tap the Christmas category, and select red, green, white. Now, back on the edit timer screen, you can see red, green, white is our selected mode. Let's set the schedule. Under repeat, we'll keep week selected. We'll leave all days highlighted so the timer runs every day. Next, set the on time. Tap on time under the on section. We'll select timer sunrise sunset. For the off time, tap the time field under the off section. We'll set a specific time here. Let's scroll the picker to 9 p.m. and tap confirm. Finally, with the name, pattern, and schedule all set, tap Save in the top right corner. And there it is! Your new Christmas Fun timer is now saved and active on your main timer list.